today, Coach, today is your special day. Alam ko masaya ka ngayon kasi aside na makasama mo si Coach Mark, makasama mo din yung mga business partners natin dyan. So, ito lang pong birthday na to, Coach, na hindi mo ako nakasama since nagkakilala po tayo. Pero marami pang mga years and I know that na marami pang pagkakataon na mag-meet tayo ulit, charot. So, yun lang po, Coach. Ang wish ko po sa iyo is sana good health ka always and more birthdays to come, more cake to slice, and syempre, God bless always. And see you!
Hello, Ate Coach MJ. Happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng favors mo sa amin. Ang prayers ko is naging successful.
Ayan, hello everyone! Hello, good evening everyone!
Namiss ka raw ng kumari mo, ma'am. Yang kumari ko expired. Charot. Hello, Makarshi.